Alright, so the next part is going to be the waste unit. Part's very simple, nothing new or different here. Just need to prepare it. So you have this that goes in an angle. I stick this part like so here. So it goes like that. And then we have, I believe this is the, I think this is the back part. Is it? No, that's the front part. This is the back part. So flip it around, put that like that. And then we have this that goes in here. Then we close this up like, oh no, before you close it up, put this one in here. Then close it up. There we go. And yeah, these parts have to be like in an angle. Is this all the way in? Ooh, no it isn't. It's not hitting the peg inside. I'll take care of that later on. Actually, maybe it may. No, this is going to actually hinder me. You know what? I may have to pop this out. I didn't want to, but. Is it in there? I guess we're gonna have to do that. Let's pop the whole thing. Interesting, it doesn't go all the way through unless... Let's do the opposite direction. And just cut off this stuff here. Alright, so that's fine. And then that's fine. Stay there. There we go. It's not bending inwards. This would have hindered me connecting the torso to this kit, to the waist unit. And we have this little trim part here that goes there. And then this one goes here, and this one goes here, and there's a section here that doesn't show in the manual, but I guess it's going to be in the next part of the build. So this completes the waist unit. Now, before we move on to the next part, somebody's is yelling at me saying that I forgot to put these little parts here. These white little trim parts. I guess when I was looking at the manual, I saw the little stickers that go over this, but I didn't notice this one, and I thought it was part of it. So when I reviewed it, the parts that I had, I go, oh, okay, so I forgot to put these on. So let me just put them on. And again, these are parts that can be removed and painted separately for whatever color you want. So that's cool. So now the legs are complete. Both, whoops, the other way around. Both the legs are complete, and the waist unit. Now let's move on to the next part of the build. Alright, so the next part is 3, 2, 1. So the next parts that you see here makes up the backpack that is unique to this kit. A lot of parts here, a lot of detail too that you don't normally see, and also some parts that I'm seeing where I can begin working on and painting. We're going to begin with these two guys here. Put them together like so. Once I put them together, I don't think I'm going to take them apart, but definitely I should look into the possibility of open it up, painting the inside and sanding it down, because there is a seam line going all over there. It's barely noticeable, but I'll try to clean it up so that way it looks good. So for now we just need these two white trim parts. Again, this is going to be cool to remove. And then we have this one here. here. The other way around, sorry. Alright, that's done. That's easy. The other parts is going to be interesting. First up, we will take this part, and we need to take these two parts here. One here, that connects to that hole. The other one here, that connects to that. And I kind of like this. This is really cool. I like this. Well, I didn't put it together, but I kind of like the look to it. But take this, stick that in here, and then you close this up. Oops, I think I have the wrong one. Yep, it's this one. There you go. Yeah, this is really nice. I like this one, how it looks. A little vector thrustering right there. Let's do the other one. Alright, so those two are complete. The next part is this. And I think you have to put that in here. Doesn't go all the way, that's good, because this is something that may have to end up popping out, as well as this. But I think you need to put this one in first. Ah, interesting. So you have to put this in first, I believe. Hold on. Oh no, you have to put it in here first. Ah, yeah, because there's some guides here. So you push it in, then you push this in on top of it. There we go. Okay, that's neat. Rinse, repeat. Alright, so according to this, if you have it like that, you take this part, you put that here. Yeah, because that goes the opposite direction. And that one goes here. Alright. Oh, forgot to put this one in. Can I put it in without popping it out? Yeah, we can do that. There we go. Alright, so these two parts are done. Now, these, which is technically the housing for the arms, but also holding up the thrusters. So those two parts go in here. Two parts I don't have to worry about popping out. They look okay. We have two thrusters. I'll put these thrusters on later because I want to make sure how this works. Then we have this weird contraption, and this goes, I believe, like that. And then this goes like that. There we go. Like that. And then we have here. So it looks like that. Let's repeat that again. Very simple parts. How it shows here. Kind of like that. Thrusters, of course, will be easily removed and sanded down. But if I see this properly, so you take this like that. Take this, you slide that here like so. You slide that here like so. And then we have this part that goes into the side like that, like so. And then you repeat here as well. There you go. That is pretty neat. I like it. Very nice. The arms are pretty much the same thing as like I assembled with the. You know what? I wasn't gonna plan to do this, but I'll do it now. I'll just do one arm because they're all basically the same thing. Only difference is, and you gotta give me a minute here. I'll need that. I need that. I need that. That goes like that. That goes like that. That goes like that. Okay, so we have this. Some of these parts are a little weird. Oh, I didn't realize that. So we have these parts that goes like this, and then we have the standard parts that, if I'm seeing it correctly, it's like identical to what we just did with the other arm. So you have parts that makes this is the same parts of the other arm, while you have these parts, which are basically the same connection and all that stuff. Oh, that's really weird how it's done like that. And yeah, you know what? I'm not gonna waste my time we're putting these together on camera. You guys pretty much understand what's happening. So we'll just stop right here. I'll finish up the arms because they're all the same thing. They're just different ways. And then we'll do a final review of what this kit really looks like. Alright?